Ever looked at a piano and thought, yeah, we're not friends? Same. That was me pressing random keys and hoping it sounded like music. If you're searching for an app that actually makes piano learning feel possible, stay till the end. Because I tested Simply Piano so you don't have to guess. I downloaded Simply Piano out of curiosity, expecting another boring learn fast promise. But surprisingly, it starts super simple. No pressure, no musical jargon overload. You place your phone on the piano, play a note, and the app actually listens. If you mess up, it knows. If you get it right, it celebrates like you just won a mini concert. What I like most is how it builds confidence. You're not thrown into complex songs right away. It teaches you step by step, from reading notes to using both hands, while letting you play real songs, not just robot sounds. And yes, it works with any piano or keyboard. The progress tracking feels motivating, not stressful. You literally see yourself improve, which makes those short daily practice sessions feel more worth it. It's beginner friendly, kid safe, and even lets multiple people use one account. So is Simply Piano perfect? It won't magically turn you into Mozart overnight, but if you want a structured, fun, and realistic way to start playing piano, this app genuinely delivers. If piano has always been one day for you, this might be your sign. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.